Hey everyone. We here at AdminRemix wanted to take some time and talk about how IT asset management has changed in the post-pandemic world. Due to the pandemic, technology departments saw a huge increase in the number of devices that they have to manage. However, this need to increase the number of devices does not correlate to an increase in budgets. When dealing with ITAM, make sure that you know what the cost is. Most times, IT departments are asked to do more with less money. However, due to the pandemic, it is not uncommon to see spending on hardware and software around 25% over budget. Just because there are other agencies using a certain ITAM system does not mean that it is the correct one for you. Make sure that the ITAM system that you get has the following. Provide visibility throughout the entire software landscape. Track your software and license purchases, vendor SKU, license terms, and usage per department and user. Automate your data collection and reporting to limit your manual resources. See your usage to help reduce yearly software maintenance. Use existing tools and its own agents to help capture data gaps. Use these tips to help future-proof your system to help keep you from overspending and to make your system smarter and more efficient. For more tips on ITAM, check out the links below.